Dr. Peter Abramson's ability to warmly relate to his patients and the skill he's perfected as a surgeon makes him one of the most respected and sought-after facial plastic surgeons in Atlanta. Let's learn more about Dr. Peter Abramson and his practice.
Well, at Abramson Facial Plastic and Reconstructive Surgery, we focus on surgery of the face and neck. Our most common procedures are reshaping of the nose, which is rhinoplasty, eye lifting surgery, which will help to take the bags from underneath the eyes, as well as some extra tissues and folds on the upper eyelids, and rejuvenate around the eyes, as well as facelift, as well as ear shaping surgery. We do a whole range of in-office type procedures. These include things such as Botox, and we also do some fillers. It's long-lasting and has very little, if any, bruising. Well, we also offer a minimally invasive facelifting procedure, which includes such things as the mini lift. It's a perfect procedure for those patients who want less downtime and a nice, refreshing result. The way we approach patients at our facility is to provide unique and individualized service. We have our medical esthetician who treats patients in advance of and after their surgical procedures and laser procedures, as well as our patient advocate who helps the patient through the entire process. Once you're a patient of ours, we take care of you and we watch out for you. We make sure your experience here is one that's exceedingly positive.
The most appealing thing that Dr. Abramson does with his patients, or seems that his patients say to me, is that he makes them feel so comfortable that he answers their questions, takes the time, educates them, and gives them all the choices that they may have or need for their decision. By the time they get to me, they seem so relieved and they say, "He is so nice."
We are excited to have our on-site surgical facility, which is an outpatient facility that's AAAHC certified. It's a huge benefit to have it right here in our own building and a very comfortable facility for our patients to have their surgery. One of the wonderful things that we offer here is our medical esthetician services. Lena provides such personalized care, and she feels so strongly about what she does in the care of the patients that come through here, and it really makes it such a positive experience. Having a physician overseeing Lena allows her to perform some of the aesthetic services that are otherwise not able to be offered at other facilities.
My work is very important to Dr. Abramson's work. Healthy skin is a foundation prior to any cosmetic procedure. It is important to stimulate collagen, healthy blood flow, which promotes faster recovery and, of course, better results.
One of the concerns patients always have is that they're going to look unique, unusual, even funny after they have a facial plastic procedure or injectable. That's where experience comes in, as well as the aesthetic eye. And knowing the patient's desires are exceedingly important. That's why I take the time to sit down and listen to what my patients want. A very important aspect of our consultation is our computer imaging. And what we use computer imaging for is as a communication tool. It's not as much a before and after as it is to allow the patient to express what they'd like to see, and for us to try to show some of the things that are possible. And that's where I can get a really good idea of what we can do for the patient and make their experience successful. The most important thing that I see in my patients is that they want to look refreshed. They want to look like themselves, and they want to look as good as they feel. And that's my goal. And the best part of my job is seeing a patient's excitement when we're all finished with everything, and knowing that they know that they made the right decision to proceed with this, and to know that I helped and aided in that rejuvenation process.